What is up, everybody? So, just a reminder that this entire from beginning to end tutorial series out for Unreal Engine. It's a three-part series, and we go through from very beginning to the very end using only free assets from the Epic Store, so you don't have to pay for anything. It runs you through how to put together a cinematic, how to use a metahuman, how to use motion capture, how to hand animate faces, how to use the rigs, how to put together a cool scene for the shot, how to put some effects in, how to put together a sequencer with all the effects and everything, and how to get a full shot out, how to light the shot. Everything that you see here from beginning to end, we'll put together, and I hope you enjoy it. I think you can learn a lot along the way, some cool things, a cool pipeline, how to put together a project, and everything in between, how to exactly put this shot together and make your own. All right, I hope this helps, and I'll speak to you guys later. By the way, all the links are below for all the videos. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.